Good day guys! Meron tayo dito stock ng 2026 Montero GLS Automatic Transmission. So ikutan natin ng mabilis. Tignan natin yung in and outside features na ating unit. So start tayo dito here sa front. Under the hood, meron tayo dyan 2.4 liter diesel engine. Tapos sa bumper natin, meron din tayo dyan all LED na headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lamps. Tapos, meron din tayong 360 camera dahil equipped na ng multi-round camera ang ating Montero Sport GLS. Dito tayo sa side profile guys, meron tayong 18 inches alloy wheels, chrome keyed side mirror with integrated turn signals. Tapos meron din tayong 360 camera. Yan. Tapos keyless operating system tayo dito guys. May roof rail na kasama. Then inside, meron kang 3-spoke leather wrap steering wheel, meter cluster na combination ng digital and analog display, infotainment system na Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready na, automatic transmission, brake auto hold and auto parking brake, cup holders, trays, ang inyong glove box nandun. Sa seat material, high grade fabric ang ginamit dito guys, so napaka-comfortable niyan. Push start system. Dito naman tayo sa second row guys. So kung makikita nyo, very spacious. Naka-fold lang to. Pero yan, yung second row. Then ito naman yung third row natin guys. Medyo madilim lang. Yan. Ayan siya guys. So yung third row seats, nafo-fold pa yan para if ever na maglo-load kayo ng mga gamit, pwede rin guys. Okay? Meron tayong 68 liters fuel tank capacity, all LED na taillight, ating chrome na trunk lid, Montero Sport emblem, at ang ating 4-eyed sensors. Yan, apat yan guys, hanggang sa dulo. So yan, may fin type antenna. So guys, alam nyo ba, ang promo natin for this unit, 40,000 down payment, plus free 1 month amortization at exclusive freebies worth 40,000 pesos kapag nag-avail ka ng 2026 Montero GLS Automatic dito kay Mitsubishi Lawrence sa Peak Jose Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila. Kaya kung interesado ka, nandiyan ang contact details ko sa taas ng screen. Usap tayo.